Come test drive the 2018 Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.